Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at the Genie Journal and what to do for that assignment. So I already have my module open and I just finished my problem solving assignment. So again, I'm going to continue to work through the module, completing the interactions and the readings and the corresponding e-text. And when I get to page 4, we see the Genie Journal assignment. At the bottom, it says, what would happen if a child received no nurturing stimulation to engage their thinking abilities? Can the environmental experience or lack of it cause the child to become mentally retarded? You are going to research a disturbing but landmark case study of a girl named Genie. Think about her experience correlates to the necessity of toddlers to receive pre-K education. It really makes one think. Please download the assignment instructions from the rubric on the sidebar to the right, and then take a look at the additional resources to help you get started. So there's a lot here. So for the assignment, it's right here, Genie, under handouts, and we'll open that in just a minute. But if you go under Learn More, you'll see that there's a summary of the Genie case study. This will be helpful in doing this journal. There is a documentary transcript, and that's the actual documentary. Underneath it, the actual video documentary. And these 3 sources are going to be useful in completing this assignment. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what we got. As you've learned so far, psychological research must follow a code of ethics. There are some things researchers are interested in studying but just cannot. However, ever so often, unfortunate scenarios provide excellent research opportunities. In the case of Genie, you understand why a study could not be created to mimic her circumstances, but you will also appreciate the wealth of knowledge her case created. Start by conducting some research on the case study of Genie. If she is the subject of a famous documentary called Genie, Secrets of the Wild Child. It is not essential that you watch the documentary, but viewing the program is worthwhile and informative. This case study covers multiple themes in AP psychology and has been most beneficial to understand. In addition, be sure to read about and make sure you thoroughly understand Worf's relative linguist hypothesis and Chomsky's theory of language acquisition and development, as they'll play an important role in your assignment. Let's pause here and go back, and we have links for both Noam Chomsky and the Worf hypothesis that you can use for resources. Let's see. Outside of those sidebar resources, you would be searching for outside sources on information about her case, and comparative cases are always welcome. After you've conducted your initial research and learned about Genie's case, consider the different explanations for Genie's delayed language development as well as intellectual level. The task: in a formal journal entry, please respond to the following task. Be sure to include APA citations for your research. You should also format your paper following APA guidelines. Number 1, these are the questions you'll be responding to in this journal entry in paragraph format. Please do not include these questions in your submission. You should just simply be writing a formal journal entry or APA style paper to respond. Number 1, how did Genie's language development differ from a normal child's language development? You should identify at least 3 ways and explain your rationale. Number 2, based on what you know about human development, what did Genie need once she was found by authorities? Think mentally as well as socially. Did she receive that assistance, and why or why not? Number 3, to what extent does Genie's case support or refute Noam Chomsky's theory of language development? Please provide adequate details citing the theory to support your answer. So you're going to add details to support your thoughts on whether or not Noam Chomsky's language development theory was used. 4, was Genie mentally retarded at birth? Give evidence to support your answer. How might Worf's relative linguist hypothesis be used to refute your response? And so this will be another case where you'll state your opinion and you'll use Worf's hypothesis to substantiate your argument one way or the other. 5, find and accurately apply at least 5 relevant terms from the unit to help explain the Genie case. You are going to highlight these terms by bold-facing them. So please be sure that you have 5 terms from the unit, bold-faced in your assignment. Then last, number 6, you will reflect on the importance of Genie case study and its relevance in understanding psychology. What information have we gained that has helped further our understanding or knowledge? And so again, make sure that you are attending to all 6 questions and that you are providing resources and you're following APA guidelines for this. And basically, if you could even just set it up to make it easier. You could do a paragraph for each question. Again, don't put the questions in there, but just respond in your paper. So good luck with this assignment, and I hope that it helps you understand some of these concepts.